Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through comparison between Elicit AI and Mindgrasp AI. Both of them are powerful productivity and learning tools, but they are built for different missions. So which one should you choose? Let's get started. The first we're going to look at is the main focus. Elicit AI focuses on research, productivity, and automation, while Mindgrasp focuses on learning, summarizations, and questions and answers. When we look at ease of use, Elicit AI has a simple dashboard for researchers, while Mindgrasp has easy upload and instant summaries. When we look at their AI strengths, Elicit AI has literature reviews, data extraction, and structured insights, while Mindgrasp AI, on the other hand, turns articles and videos, PDFs into quick notes. When we look at the price, that is the pricing, Elicit AI has a free basic plan plus premium plan, while Mindgrasp AI is subscription based. When we look at what they are best for, Elicit AI is best for students, finance analysts, and academic researchers, while Mindgrasp is best for learners, professionals, and exam preparation. Lastly, what kind of output should you expect? Elicit AI gives you reports and structured overviews, while Mindgrasp AI gives you notes, flashcards, and instant answers. In conclusion, Elicit AI works like a smart research assistant. It scans papers, extracts insights, and saves you hours of digging. Mindgrasp AI, on the other hand, is more like a personal tutor. It digests documents, videos, or lectures into simple notes and even answers your questions directly. So if you're looking for a smarter research and productivity tool, go with Elicit AI. But if your goal is to learn faster and absorb knowledge quickly, then Mindgrasp AI is your best bet. So which one would you pick? Let us know in the comment section. Hit the like button and subscribe for more smart comparisons here.